Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the SilverStone Zeus 650W SLI power supply. Included in this package is a user's manual, 4 screws for mounting the power supply in the case, an 8-pin to 4-pin adapter, and the power cable. This particular product has a continuous wattage of 650 and a peak wattage of 710, which is easily enough power for today's latest computer systems. Now, how is this wattage determined? Well, to understand that, you need to know what rails are. Rails are basically well-regulated transformers which convert domestic current into the voltages that your computer system can use. And there are essentially 2 different rails, the 3.3/5 volt and the 12 volt rail. In this particular case, the approximate maximum peak output of the 3.3/5 volt rail is 170 watts and the 12 volt is 504 watts, which is essentially how the wattage of this power supply is determined. Now, the 3.3/5 volt rail is responsible for the motherboard, memory, PCI cards, AGP card, and so on, while the 12 volt rail is responsible for the hard drives, DVDs, CD-ROM, fans, etc. Also, some might be interested to know the amps on each rail. The plus 3.3 volt is 33 amps, and the plus 5 volt is 24 amps. Now, most power supplies only have one 12 volt rail. However, this unit has 4, totaling a whopping 55 amps. This product has a steel casing and a tough reflective paint finish, also an 80mm fan. The direction of flow is this way. It will pull in air right here and then port it out the back. And on the inside of this power supply there are very large heat sinks designed in such a way to optimize the cooling effect provided by this 80mm fan. At the back as well, there's the power cable connection and the on-off switch. The leads on this power supply, and there are many, are all sleeved except for the floppy, 4-pin, and serial ATA. First, I want to have a look at these 2 leads. These are to be connected into 2 PCI Express video cards, or 6-pin connectors for an SLI setup. There are 3 motherboard connections, a 24 or 20-pin, 8-pin, and 6-pin, as well as 2 floppy, 6 4-pin standard Molex connectors, and 4 serial ATA. And now have a listen to the fan. I mentioned SLI earlier. What is that? Well, it stands for Scalable Link Interface. And now let me show you how it works. An NVIDIA SLI system includes a PCI Express motherboard that supports 2 physical connectors that are capable of having 2 NVIDIA-based PCI Express graphics cards plugged into them, joined by an NVIDIA SLI connector. These 2 graphics cards power 1 monitor, and of course, because it's 2 video cards doing the work, performance will be much better than just using 1 video card. This power supply offers quality power at a fantastic operational temperature range between 0 to a hot 50 degrees Celsius. Most power supplies are rated between 0 and 25 degrees C or 0 and 40 degrees Celsius. Also, this product has earned the official NVIDIA SLI certification, so if you're a hardcore gamer, this is the power supply for you. And of course, this product would also be very comfortable in a server environment. Overall, this is a 100% kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds. This has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also pop into my website at www.3dgameitman.com. And while you're there, you can go into the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Also keep in mind, you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please help support 3dgameitman.com. Until next time, take care.